What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys the upper door skins on the TJ, just kind of how they work, how to put them in a little bit easier, and then just kind of just an overall function of how these upper door skins work. All right. So first I'll kind of show you guys how to put these guys in. So there are these three holes that these three pins will go in. So what you want to do is just kind of grab it up by the top here. Nice and windy today. So I like to start in the front there and just barely get it down, maybe like half an inch or an inch in there, and just kind of work it until you can kind of get the rear one started. And then we're just gonna kind of slide it back and forth and shimmy it all the way down. So we're gonna go down on the front, and then now the middle one lined up for us really nice. And then once you're gonna got that middle one lined up, you can then just slide it down just like that. Similar idea for taking it out. Real simple, just kind of lift up and just kind of rock it back and forth, and eventually it'll kind of come out. So had a couple questions on that, how to particularly do that. So once you got it, pretty easy, simple enough. I got to trim off my access rubber door seal there, but that's no big deal. So here's kind of how the half doors work. So you have this zipper thing here to get the window down, and that just falls forward. So you kind of have to keep it just alongside the door there and try not to scratch it. You can close the door with this up like this, and if you want to put it away, obviously just do it just like that. So anyway, guys, that's just a real simple video on kind of how these upper door skins work. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I know it's pretty basic, but like I said, a couple people asking, and I figured I'd kind of show you guys just a little trick of how to kind of get it in and out pretty easy. And I'll kind of show you just, you can zip this guy down, fold it flat in there, and you can still close the door. So yeah. So anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. It helps me out a bunch, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.